Akshay Kumar Suvade, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to study the numericals on rectangular sections. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, student will be able to determine the bending stresses and its distribution along the depth of the section. So, let us discuss the problem statement. A simply supported beam of rectangular section of cross section 200 mm deep and 300 mm wide has a span of 8 meter. Find the maximum safe UDL the beam can carry over the entire span if the maximum bending stress is not to exceed 120 Newton per mm square. So, first of all, we will write down the given data. Depth of the section is 200 mm, width of the section 300 mm, span length of the beam is 8 meter. We have to determine the intensity of UDL if the maximum bending stress is not exceed to 120 Newton per mm square. The section is given rectangle section. The depth of the section is 200 mm and width of the section is 300 mm. So, this rectangle section is used as a simply supported beam, carries uniform distributed load over the entire length of 8 meter span, and the weight of load is W Newton per meter. So, we can determine the intensity of weight of load by using the bending equation M by I is equal to sigma max divided by Y max, where M is the maximum bending moment to which the beam is subjected, I moment of inertia of this rectangle section about the neutral axis, sigma max is the bending stress, and Y max is the distance of the topmost or bottommost layer from the neutral axis. So, let us find out the maximum bending moment. So, as the beam is simply supported and carries UDL over its entire length, the maximum bending moment is given by the equation WL square upon 8. So, weight of load is unknown, the length is given 8 meter. So, putting the value of the length of the beam, we can calculate the maximum bending moment, and by calculating this we will get the maximum bending moment 8 times W Newton meter. So, this you can convert into Newton mm by multiplying 10 raised to 3. Now, we will calculate the moment of inertia I for the given section about the neutral axis. So, as the section is given rectangle, the centroidal axis of the position of the neutral axis will lie at half of the depth of the section. That is, the distance of the topmost layer from the neutral axis will be at 100 mm, and also from the bottom the distance will be 100 mm. So, moment of inertia of this rectangle section about the neutral axis is given by BD cube upon 12, and therefore putting the value of width and depth 300 into 200 cube divided by 12 and calculate the moment of inertia. So, by calculating, the moment of inertia will be 200 into 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Now, we know the moment of inertia, we know the distance of the topmost layer where the maximum bending stress occur, that is 100 mm. And now putting all these values in this particular equation, we will get 8W into 10 raised to 3 divided by 200 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to sigma max is 120 Newton per mm square, and the distance of the topmost or bottommost layer from the neutral axis is 100 mm. And by calculating this equation, we will get the weight of load is equal to 30 Newton per mm. So, the safest maximum weight of load will be equal to 30 Newton per mm. Now, we will see the next problem, that is a cantilever of length 2 meter fails when the load of 2 kilonewton is applied at its free end. If the section of the beam is 40 mm by 60 mm, find out the stress at the failure. So, this particular beam is cantilever having span 2 meter and it carries point load at its free end of 2 kilonewton, and the section is rectangle having width 40 mm and depth 60 mm. We have to find out what is the maximum stress at the time of failure. So, first of all, we have to use the bending equation m by I is equal to sigma by y. So, for a cantilever carries point load at its free end, the maximum bending moment is given by W into L. So, putting the value of point load 2 kilonewton into its distance 2 meter from the fixed end, so the maximum bending moment will be 4 kilonewton meter. So, convert this into Newton mm. So, it will be 4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. Now, moment of inertia of this rectangle section about the neutral axis. So, neutral axis will lie at half of its depth. So, the position of the topmost layer from the neutral axis is 30 mm, and also the distance of the bottommost layer is 30 mm. So, moment of inertia of this rectangle section about the neutral axis is given by BD cube upon 12. So, putting the value of width and depth, we can calculate the moment of inertia of this rectangle section, and that is equal to 72,000 mm raised to 4. That you can reduce 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 mm raised to 4. The distance of the topmost or bottommost layer y max is equal to 30 mm. And then by putting all the values in the bending equation, 4 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to sigma max divided by Y max. So Y max is 30 mm. So by doing the calculation, you can find out the stress at the failure, which is equal to 166.67 Newton per mm square. Okay. So by this we can determine the stress at the failure. The material is referred from a book of Strength of Materials by Dr. R.K. Bansal and S.S. Bhavikatti. Thanks.